Okay, so we'll be learning how to annotate section drawings in Autodesk Revit. We'll be learning both dimension and text annotations on our section drawings on architecture, section drawings for construction documentation. So let's watch. Yeah, so I'll start with dimensioning, and the shortcut is DI. So it automatically brought out that prompt of dimension. Then I pick the line I want to dimension. I pick the surfaces I want to dimension. Just watch closely. I pick it up, then drag it down. Then I click in the middle to make it stay. Because when you just click the first one and the second one, to not just stay without you, it's still moving around until I click somewhere. Yes, then I click. Then I want to dimension horizontally, click that face. I make sure it's pick a face, which is the vertical face. Yes, then I make sure you click on that vertical face, then I click. Yeah, so when I first you click in the middle, you can click anywhere. Because if you click in the middle and there is a particular line in that middle, it can divide to your dimension. So that I would advise you click at sight. Yes. Just watch closely. And I pick the other vertical line. Then you left click. Yes, you left click, not right click. I'll do the same for others. So right now I want to annotate. So I've clicked on the annotate tool at the top. Then I click on detail line, which brought me here. Now I don't want thin lines, I want wide lines. That's why I click on that drop down and I click on wide lines. Okay, medium lines, because that glass coating is far behind. Yes, so it makes the border lines more thick a little and not faint. I want to do the same thing for this concrete flooring. So I'll modify that concrete flooring. I made use of annotate detail, annotate create region. Yes, the boundary. So because I've done it before, so I'll just select all the boundary. Then it was medium line, so I change it to wide line, click on the thick green. I'll do the same for the add core. Then now we're moving to text. You have to annotate each rooms in the section in construction documentation. So I say, okay, this room, this is it. Now at the left hand side, you can see the type of text, the size of the text, the font. So you can choose any font you like at the edit type under the properties bar, which is at the left panel on my own screen. Yours can be at the right, yours could be under project browser, just anywhere, just look for the properties tab. Then when you click on your text, you can change it. So now I want to do something. I want to, yes, that wall is meant to go up, so you can edit any of those things with the annotate tool for any section you want. Anything you want to manipulate, anything you want to show there, you can use the annotate tool to make them tick. So now label which ones. This is all on the dining room. You can also annotate your parapet. Yes, I wanted to show that it is concrete, so I can draw on it by using detail field region, not modify line. So just watch as I do that now. Okay, I mirrored the other place. I mirrored the other section because I've done it there before. So use the annotate detailed region to draw. So what you just do is on the top toolbars, you just go to annotate. After detail line, which we used before, directly underneath it, you will see region. So once you click that region, even at the properties tab here, once I click, you see, yes, you see field region concrete. You can go and change it in the edit type. You can change it there to concrete or whatever material you want. Also, you can move your text to. You see that click on the text to it will show this move icon Yes, it's showing two arrows crossing each other. That's the move icon. So you can move it to anywhere you want, anywhere you wish. So it won't block your dimension. So you can keep moving your text. That's what I'm going to do now. And I noticed the text actually big, so I would like to reduce the size. So you can see that about the properties. You can change it to any size that I want and to apply to sizes of each of those. Or if it does not apply, you can right click on one and select all instances visible in view. Then you change the size. Note you are also to detail horizontally. Yes, you are also to annotate horizontally. And that's all what this video is all about. You can crop your section to view just the part you want to see. And that is what we covered in this video: how to dimension and how to place text, how to edit, how to make things, how to draw on your section using the lines, your annotate lines. These things can be done in AutoCAD and it can also be done in Revit. Thank you for watching.